Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about paying for Make Money Online courses versus a college tuition. All right. Now I'm doing this video because in this whole Make Money Online world, affiliate marketing, having your own online business, there's a lot of courses out there, right? And a lot of people who want to learn how to start making money online, a lot of these people have, problems with paying for courses, right? Especially courses that cost, $500, $1,000. Some courses cost $5,000, right? And a lot of people, they have a problem paying that because they're like, oh, it's not even traditional education, or, what am I really paying for? Or, oh, this just ain't worth it just because, right? But then you look at college, people who been to college or in college, and they have college debt, 30, 40, 50, even $100,000 in college debt, and they're not even using what they learned in college, or they're in college right now and they have no intentions of actually using what they're currently learning in college, right? So the debate is very, very easy in my opinion, because if you can fathom paying, 50 grand, right, over a period of time, for learning something that you might not even profit from in the future, versus paying, say, $1,000 for a course that can teach you how to build six and seven figure businesses, right? Online businesses, or in some cases, offline businesses. So, my advice to anybody who, in or out of college, whatever, and you're debating, like, should you pay for an online course, right? You should not hesitate to pay for online education. You should not hesitate to pay for something that can make you a lot of money for a lifetime, right? Now, let me be honest now. I know you might, oh, well, you sell stuff. Of course you're going to say that. Listen, all right? I didn't say just buy any and every course that you see. All the emails that you get, selling stuff, just buy it, just buy it, just buy it. Because ultimately, to be honest with you, a lot of courses are really, really good. And if you follow the steps, you will make money. But on that same note, there are a lot of trash courses out there. There's courses out there that cost a lot of money, and you're really not learning, what you should learn for that price point, right? So do your research before you buy any sort of Make Money Online course that's over $50, right? Do your research. Look and see what people are saying about it. Ask the creators of the products, right? Ask the people promoting the products. Look up different reviews on the course before you purchase it, right? But don't feel like, oh, I'm not paying for that. Like this ain't gonna help me, or I ain't got the money for that. But yet and still, you've contemplated going to college and had that college tuition bill, right? Or you've been to college and you're sitting and you got a $65,000 debt that you currently are paying every month, but yet you don't want to invest, $1,000, and so, really understand that a lot of these courses out there really do work. They really are legit, but just like with anything, you do have to put them to use, right? Any good course, if you don't use it, it's absolutely worthless to you, right? So, point of this video, like I said, paying for a Make Money Online course versus college tuition. In my opinion, if you're not going to college and you're not paying to be, a doctor, a lawyer, or something, you're not going into a field where, a degree is mandatory, then you might want to look outside and maybe invest in some courses. And every good course doesn't even have to cost $1,000 or $500. There, just look, right? Just look. What I'm saying is, don't be afraid to pay for online education. All right. Now, if you want to check out my #1 Make Money Online course and learn how you can start generating instant commissions on a daily basis, you definitely want to check out this video right here.